taken as a best only. Okay. So yeah, guys, please play with that, and then based on your requirement, you should be able to do the right lemmatization. Okay. Now let us move on to the next code, and then we will stop. Give me a second. I'm looking at the code. So guys, there is something called NER. Can you go to the next line? Type NER. NER in your next line. Capital N. No. Why 4 spaces? Okay. It's a comment, right? So put a dark string and then type NER. Dark string. Okay, fine. NER stands for named entity recognition. Named entity recognition. So basically, in your word, you will have a people name. You will have a city name. You will have some other name, right? So for that, there is a module. Okay. That module we need to fine tune, obviously. Okay. So any module in the sense, method as part of NLP. Someone wants to join at this late. Who is the gentleman? Right? Yeah. So NER stands for named entity recognition. Recognition, please fix the typo. Okay. Right. So I'll give you a sample code for that. So there is a module called Spacy. Okay. So you do these things. Execute these commands one by one. Spacy is a bit advanced module. I will tell you why. Okay. Maybe before that, let us execute it from the NLTK and then we'll go to Spacy. Please import all these things. Open a new command. Put all these things first. Put these things, all the imports, and then all the downloads. All the downloads. Okay. And then you put this, put the text. Okay, so I'm just checking where is past tags. Okay. Do this guy. Okay, word filtered. Where is word filter? 1 second, guys. Where is okay? Word filter. Word filter. Use this. Okay, fine. So we'll go to one by one so that this is the step 1, guys. We are going to tokenize. Do the tokenization and execute that. Copy paste this. We are going to tokenize that. Copy paste this, execute, make it fast, guys. Or maybe execute that and then go to the next line. Execute that, please. Execute that. Execute that. Come down. Yeah, so it is doing all this stuff. Copy paste that. This is step number 1. Execute that. So now it is splitting into, like, I have a multiple sentences, guys. Now this guy is converting into sentences, not words. Okay, sentences, not words. Remember that. And then from the sentence, now I am going to do the words. Put this step 2. Word underscore tokenize will convert a sentence into a words. Sent underscore sent means what? Can you please highlight that in line number 19? Can you please highlight that sent? Sent means what, Mahindran? Gagandeep, sent means what?
Sentence tokenization.
Exactly. Appreciate it. Good. Put the next step 2. Sent means sentence. Next line, please. Copy paste. Put it in the next line. Make it faster. Faster, sir. Veera, sir. No breakfast, or you had a fight with your wife?
No. Nothing, sir. Nothing.
No. He's a pretty young chap. Okay. Right. So we have first step. No. So there was a paragraph in the beginning. As a first step, I convert that into each sentences. In the next step, I took each sentences and I'm converting into each word. Okay. Now I have gotten the word. So tokenization is done. I want to convert that into lowercase. So for that, you don't really need a module. You can use the string functionality itself. So step 3, I'm converting everything into lowercase. I have given the code. Always you can go back to the chat window, copy paste, put it first. Step 3. So I'm converting into lowercase now. Very easy. It's a string operation. So that word dot lower is a string operation, right? I have converted everything into string. Now I need to remove the punctuation. Okay, wherever there is a punctuation, I don't really need them actually. Why? Can somebody tell me why should I remove punctuation? Because punctuation does not have any meaning, right? Punctuation will give you context, but the punctuation does not have any word specific meaning. So what do you mean by that? So basically, there is one sentence Google, something like Google. Exactly. No. Semantics means totally different. Okay, does not have a technical word. This guy does not have a meaning, so I don't need it. If there is a dot, I cannot understand. If there is an exclamation, I cannot understand. If there is a comma, I cannot understand. All those punctuations. Exactly. Yes. Right. Ha. Now look at line step 1, 2, 3, 4, and ask me if there are any questions. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear, right? Sentence, paragraph to sentence is step 1. Sentence to word is step 2. And then we are changing that into lowercase to uniform it. And then we are removing all the punctuation that are not needed. Now, in English, there is something called fillers, the stop words and all. What is meant by stop words? What is meant by stop words? Say if I say, I am an Indian, okay? Just, okay, I believe all of you would be watching Hollywood movies and all, right? Right? Gagandeep, do you have the habit of watching Hollywood movies, English movies?
Not really, sir.
Great. Who frequently watches Hollywood movies? Mahindran? Satya, why are you keeping quiet today, Satya?
No, I don't watch much of Hollywood, sir.
Okay, your wife is standing nearby, yeah? Okay, so you all know that the way in which we write a sentence grammatically, in the movies, they don't speak that way, correct? They forget the subject, they forget the verb, they will shorten it, but still we are able to kind of understand. What does it mean? There are certain words, even if it is not there, we will still be able to get the meaning. For example, I am an Indian. Tell me one word, even if I remove it, still I will be able to make it.
And
Yeah, that and is there, right? Verb, not needed. And is also kind of extra only. I Indian. If I say I Indian, like assume that I'm speaking in a broken English, I Indian, then you'll be able to get that. So those are all called stop words. So obviously we don't really need stop words. So we are finding out a way to remove stop words. How to do that? Very easy. Take the code, sir. So step 5 is removing the stop words. So guys, I have explicitly given comment as well. Step 1, step 2, step 3 and all. Copy paste the code, Veera sir. Put it there. It is there. So stop words is nothing but like the English words, which even if you take them out, okay, you will still be able to get that. Okay, before executing, look at that. Uday Kumar, the CEO of Mars Captech is so many things are there. Now let us see which word it is going to remove. Execute that, we will get the removed words. This is also plain string only, not a module. So it has removed the, of, is, in, all those things it has removed. Now look at this, guys. If you read that, Uday Kumar, CEO, Mars Captech, mentoring students, New York, USA, teaching Python. Now I think we are still able to get the original meaning. How many of you agree with me? How many of you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
But
This kind of thing is used in previous report writing, no? Whenever there is a press conference and all.
exactly, do you know what is that called as?
I don't know the exact.
No, shorthand.
No, no, no.
Shorthand. Shorthand.
Shorthand, right?
No, sir. No, it's a different.
Stenographer is different. Okay, this is called a shorthand writing. In simple
Yes.
words, during our childhood days, we would have learned something called hint, right? So there will be a paragraph which will be given in a hint format. Now you need to put that into an entire sentence. How many of you remember that? Comprehension, hint, all those things, right? Basically, now we are able to get after removing the stopping words. So removing the stopping words is also one of the steps only. Step 6. Now I need to find out the POS. POS means what?
Parts of speech.
Parts of speech. Excellent. Now take the codes, sir. Earlier I have told you how to take the parts of speech. Now from the shortlisted words, I'm going to take the parts of speech. Whether it is a whether it is a verb, adverb, adjective, all those things. So guys, that is the reason in our childhood days we should have studied it properly. It's still being used even when you become a software engineer. Great. Super Mahindran. So it has put JJ, NN, all those things. I think capital N stands for noun. And then J means what? Can you scroll up the function and check in the program that we wrote? Last time we wrote a program, right? The definition. J means like it's adjective. J means adjective. Yes. So now we need to stem it. Please take the stemming. Now we have found out the password. And now we are going to stem it and then we will lematize that. So this is how the people code, guys. The chatbot and all we can easily write it. I have already put the code. Take it. Make it fast. And then you joined a little late, but to give you a short answer, NLP will help you to interpret, understand, as well as generate a human language. To answer your question, yes, that is what I told in the beginning. It is a subset of AI and it is super useful during generative AI. Okay, yes. And the answer is yes, Google. Yeah, next let us lematize that, copy paste the code, and I think we are good to go. Okay, now sorry, which code I gave you? Step 8 only you have put, right? Execute that. And then you can put the lemmatized word like this. Okay, put it fast. The code is already there, right? Make it fast. And then the 9th step is what I really wanted to teach you. For that only I have done all these 8 steps. What is the 9th step? Hey, the named entity recognition. New York is a city, USA is a city and all. NLTK does NER like the named like entity recognition to some extent only. Okay, but there is an advanced version. That is what I want to cover today, but it has got a little late for me. SpaCy is the module. Execute this. Execute that. Okay, actually it is not getting any named entities at all. New York is a named entity.